Hello, beautiful ones. Today we're delving into the enchanting world of candle magic and uncovering its secrets for you to practice with ease. Candle magic is a powerful and accessible form of manifestation that uses the elements of fire, intention, and natural materials to bring about desired outcomes. Let's begin with the importance of seasons and days of the week. Let's start with the significance of seasons and days of the week. Each season carries unique energies. For instance, spring is perfect for new beginnings and growth, summer for action and abundance, autumn for release and transformation, and winter for introspection and planning. Similarly, days of the week hold specific vibrations. Monday, ruled by the moon, ideal for intuition and healing. Tuesday, ruled by Mars, great for courage and strength. Wednesday, ruled by Mercury, perfect for communication and creativity. Thursday, ruled by Jupiter, excellent for abundance and expansion. Friday, ruled by Venus, best for love and beauty. Saturday, ruled by Saturn, suited for protection and structure. Sunday, ruled by the Sun, good for success and vitality. The purpose of color in candle magic colors play a crucial role in candle magic, each one resonating with different energies. White is for purity, protection, and clarity. Red is for passion, energy, and strength. Green is for abundance, health, and prosperity. Blue is for peace, wisdom, and communication. Yellow is for confidence, joy, and creativity. Black is for protection, banishing negativity, and grounding. Now let's understand the quality of the flame. The flame of your candle is like a doorway to other realms, a bridge between your intention and the universe. A steady, strong flame indicates a clear, focused intention, while a flickering or weak flame may suggest distractions or resistance. Pay attention to your flame. It can provide insights into your spell's progress. So what about dressing your candles? Dressing your candles with oils, herbs, and spices enhances their power. To dress a candle, rub it with a corresponding oil, like lavender for peace or cinnamon for abundance. Roll the oiled candle in herbs or spices that align with your intention. For example, for love, spells use rose petals, lavender, or cinnamon. For protection spells use rosemary, sage, or black salt. For money spells use basil, mint, or ginger. The easiest way to perform your candle magic is 1. Set your intention. Be clear about what you want to manifest. 2. Choose the right candle. Pick a color and size that aligns with your intention. 3. Dress the candle. Anoint it with oil and roll it in herbs or spices. 4. Create a sacred space. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. 5. Light the candle. Focus on the flame and visualize your intention manifesting. 6. Let it burn. Allow the candle to burn out completely, if possible, or extinguish it respectfully if you must leave. Remember, candle magic is a beautiful, accessible way to bring your desires into reality. By understanding the importance of seasons, days of the week, and colors, and by dressing your candles with intention, you can amplify your magical practice. Remember, the flame is your connection to other realms, guiding your intentions into manifestation. Thank you for joining me today. Please like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. May your candle magic be forever bright and your manifestations plentiful. Until next time, blessed be.